Hello, guys. Good afternoon, all. My name is Bright Ndu Obunaya. Okay, we are here to look at this topic mode. From the previous knowledge, we should know that mode is the number with the highest frequency. Okay, that number that occur most is the mode. Now, if we look at this is for group data. Okay, it is hard for you to find the mode here without you using the formula. So first, we have to state the formula for mode. Mode is lower class boundary plus class size, frequency of modal class minus frequency before modal class over 2 of frequency of modal class minus frequency after modal class minus frequency before modal class. Okay, that is the formula. It's very simple. Just it is lower class boundary plus class size, frequency of modal class minus frequency before modal class, then divided by 2 times of the frequency of modal class minus frequency after modal class and minus frequency before modal class. So let us arrange the numbers. Okay, we're going to have our interval. The intervals are 2 to 4, 5 to 7, 8 to 10, 11 to 13. Then we have your frequency, which are 2, 5, 7, and 6. And our total frequency is 5, 2 plus 5, that is 7, plus 7, 14, plus 6 is 20. Okay, then the first thing on the formula is a class boundary. That is our class boundary. Then the class boundary, that is the lower class boundary. So we have to get the class boundary first, so that we'll be able to know the one that is lower. Class boundary. You produce your class boundary from your class interval. Now how to get it is this. Each of these interval have lower and upper. The first one is the lower interval, the second one is the upper interval. Like in the first set, the lower interval is 2, the upper interval is 4, 5 and 7, 8 and 10, and 11 and 13. Now, those lower intervals, you remove 1 from them and put 0.5. That is how to do it. Remove 1 and put 0.5. While all the upper intervals, you'll be adding 0.5, 0.5 to each of them. So if you remove 1 from this first one, that will give us 1.5. Once you remove 1 from the lower interval, put 0.5 minus 4.5. Remove 1 here, so 4.5 to 7.5, 7.5 to 10.5, 10.5 to 13.5. Then remember we say that mode is the number with the highest frequency. So that is it. Then we need the highest frequency here among all these frequencies is 7. So that means this is our modal class line. That line where the higher frequency falls is the modal class line. So we can now solve it. Our mode will now give us the first number there is lower class boundary, which is lower class boundary is in this line, this modal line, 7.5 plus class size. Our class size is minus the interval vertically. Either you say 5 minus 2, which is 3, or 7 minus 4, which is still 3. 8 minus 5 is 3. 10 minus 7 is still 3. You can just make sure you minus vertically, not horizontally. So our class size is 3. Then you now open bracket. Frequency of modal class, that is 7, minus frequency before modal class, that is 5. frequency, look at the modal class line. The third line is the modal class line. The frequency before that modal class line, that is 5. Okay, divided by 2 times frequency of modal class, which is 7, minus frequency after modal class is 6. Okay, if your modal class falls in this 6, for instance, if this 6 is the highest frequency, this is where the modal class will fall, in this 6. Then if it falls here, the modal class after will be 0, because there is no modal class after. Okay, it will be 0. Likewise here, if it falls in these 2, let's assume the highest frequency is these 2. The frequency before modal class will still be 0, because there is no frequency before that one. Okay, so minus frequency before, that is 5. Because frequency of modal class is 7, frequency before the 7 is 5, after the 7 is 6. So that is 7.5 plus 3. 5 minus 7 minus 5 is 2, over 2 times 7, 14. 14 minus 6, that is 8. 8 minus 5, that is 3. So you do bracket first. You do bracket first. Yeah, you do bracket first before you multiply. So we'll do 2 divided by 3, press equals to first. Whatever thing you have times 3, press equals to again. Whatever thing you have plus 7.5. So our mode is 9.5. Our mode is 9.5. That is it. As simple as that. Just follow the sequence. If there is any confusion, or where you are confused, you can take the video back so that you can be able to get that point. Or my WhatsApp line will always be on the comment section, so you can always chat me up, ask me where you are confused. I will always explain to you. Okay, the goal of doing this class is to help those that cannot reach me directly, those of my friends all over the world, so that they can be able to get clear of all these things, and for us to also make this math to be easy for everybody. That is why we are doing it in this form. Thank you.